Hey, today is Monday. Just want to update this 2010 Toyota Prius. The other day, the code 4P, P0401 code pop up, and it was EGR cooling that plug. So yes, finally get it done. And I've been drove for 2 days. There's no engine light come on. Yeah, mission accomplished. So I saved quite a bit of money to do that the job. Now this is a spare EGR coolant that I bought it from eBay, and right now I soak it with the carburetor cleaner, brake cleaner, and whatever I got my hands on. So I'm gonna clean it up real good and put it away, and sometime next time there's a coat coming up and just swap it out, so it's be a lot easier. It take a little bit of time to clean these things. I'll see you next time. Good afternoon. Yeah, I just want to break down how much it costs to fix, to do stuff for the 2010 Toyota Prius. What I did, we changed out a EGR cooler, and then at the same time when we break, we doing spark plugs and cleaning the intake manifold. So when we all break all this apart, it just might well do it all at once. So that way you don't have to go back and doing manifold, doing spark plugs. So just do it all at once. So yes, let's say if somebody doing that, garage or dealer, I say ballpark low maybe around $600 plus, more maybe. So I did it, do it myself for $240. Now that because I have to buy some cleaning supplies, like carburetor cleaner and brush and some to clean the EGR. And I bought this from eBay. This is off the car, but I put the eBay back in the car. So it's $65, $71 plus tax, whatever, use. So it's brand new. It might cost me about $200 or $300. So that the total cost I did myself for $240. And there you go, folks. Save some money. Get out your tool and work on it. I'll see you next time. All right, the moment of truth. We gas up. We're gonna gas up here. We'll see how much it takes. But I think it's about $20. 18 guys, 18. So there you go.